Common builder gel mistakes and how to fix them. Hi, I'm Shima, a professional nail technician with over 12 years of salon experience. Today, we're going to talk about the most common builder gel problems. 1. Lifting issues. 2. Cracking and breaking. 3. Too thick or uneven application. 4. Heat spikes in the lamp. 5. Overfiling the nail. All the reasons will be explained step by step during this application process. Tip: to prevent lifting, 90% of the success depends on proper nail prep. When removing the product, if the nail has lifted, has air pockets, remove all of the material completely. But if there's no lifting, only remove about 80% of the product to avoid damaging the natural nail. This step cleans around the cuticles and removes any oils, which helps the gel adhere better in the cuticle area, since lifting often starts from there. Since we want the gel to fully adhere and prevent lifting, the entire nail surface must be gently scratched. It should not be smooth. A 100/150th grit file works much better than soft buffers for this step. This step not only improves the final look of your work, but also prevents lifting. Because if cuticles or dead skin remain on the nail surface, the gel or builder won't bond properly and will easily lift from those areas. This drill bit is used to smooth out the zigzag or uneven edges of the cuticle area after trimming. To ensure proper product adhesion and prevent it from flooding the cuticles, it's very important to apply the base coat using a massaging motion. Keeping about 1 millimeter away from the cuticle and using a very small amount of product. When applying any type of soft gel, it's important to focus on both a clean, beautiful appearance and making sure the product doesn't flood into the cuticles. The first layer is applied thinly, just like a base coat, but we don't cure it yet. For the second layer, take an amount about the size of a pea. If you're a beginner, use a smaller amount of product or apply it in 2 thin layers to avoid flooding the cuticle area. If you don't seal the free edges with your brush, the product will start lifting from that exact area. Feedback. Flip the nail upside down to let the product naturally focus on the apex and to prevent it from flowing into the cuticle area. Take one more look to check everything carefully. You can either cure each nail one by one under the UV lamp, or use a flash cure with a finger UV lamp for a few seconds to prevent the gel from moving out of place. But if you're working with a product that tends to heat up in the lamp, apply it in 2 thin layers instead of 1 thick layer to reduce the burning sensation. Or use brands that don't cause heat spikes, like the ones I introduced in the previous video, especially for older clients who are more sensitive. Many nail professionals say this step doesn't need filing. But for better durability, top coat and gel polish should be applied on a matte, non-shiny surface. It also helps you double-check and perfect the shape of the nail. And it's also important for smoothing out any unevenness around the cuticle area and refining the overall shape. This a bit or file helps ensure a cleaner, more polished finish around the cuticle line. This step is especially important for beginners because the gel may have accidentally flooded into the cuticle area. Top coat and gel polish like builder gel should never flood into the cuticle. If you found all these detailed tips shared from my years of salon experience helpful, I truly appreciate your support and positive energy.